Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're a streamer or moderator on Twitch, pinning messages is a great way to highlight important announcements or keep key information visible in your chat. Let me walk you through exactly how to do this on mobile. Step 1. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Twitch mobile app installed on your phone. Open the app and navigate to the channel where you want to pin a message. You'll need to be either the streamer or have moderator permissions to pin messages. Step 2. Once you're in the chat, locate the message you want to pin. Long press or tap and hold on that specific message. A context menu will pop up with several options available. You should see a pin icon or option that says Pin Message. Step 3. Tap on the pin option from the menu that appears. The message will then be pinned to the top of the chat window. Keep in mind that only one message can be pinned at a time on most channels, so pinning a new message will unpin the previous one. Step 4. The pinned message will now appear at the top of the chat with a special pin indicator. It stays visible as viewers scroll through other messages. This is perfect for sharing stream schedules, important links, or community guidelines. Step 5. If you need to unpin a message, simply long press on the pinned message again and select the Unpin option from the context menu. This removes it from the top position and lets other messages be pinned instead.